Meanwhile, opposition spokesman on Labour Horace Daly has blasted the Labour Ministry for not intervening in the dispute involving Czech workers.
These are Government of Jamaica contracts for which the people of Jamaica, the taxpayers of Jamaica, will have to pay back these loans. And the Ministry of Labour, from last week until now, cannot intervene to ensure that the workers are treated fairly and that the workers get a just deal from Czech. It is sad. I don't know where is the Ministry of Labour or what it is doing.
BITU Vice President Alden Brown has also rubbished the Labour Ministry's assertion that it's been trying to get details on the disruption, although it had not received a formal complaint. Mr. Brown said he's written to the ministry several times.
No, that's true. We have even had meetings with the Ministry of Labour. So for the Ministry of Labour to say no, that they have not received any letter, that's not true. And if they have even not received any letter, you have workers here working under strenuous conditions. It is their interest that they are to come and find out what's the position with the workers.
I want to support the call by my colleague from the BITU that it is important that the Labour Ministry get involved. We believe that the issues here, we're talking about health and safety issues.
Earlier today, Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee PAAC was told that the Mandela Highway Improvement Project will now be completed around Christmas. It should have ended in August.